So, have you heard how free AI tools are, totally shaking up affiliate marketing?
Yeah,
It's like the game's changing overnight.
absolutely. But do they really make that big of a difference without costing anything?
Oh, for sure. They let even the small affiliates compete with the big players without spending a
Mm-hmm.
dime.
That's wild. But aren't all AI tools kind of the same?
Well, that's the thing, not all tools are
Right.
created equal. Knowing which ones to use is crucial.
Got it. So how exactly is AI influencing affiliate marketing now?
It's not just about automation, it's about amplifying our decision making. AI tools reveal patterns in user behavior we'd otherwise miss, even
Yeah.
if we're seasoned marketers.
But can free tools really offer that kind of insight?
Absolutely. Tools like predictive analytics help optimize campaigns, and multi-touch attribution models show which touch points actually drive conversions
Right.
so we can focus our efforts where it counts.
That's impressive. But what about personalization? Can free AI tools handle that?
Definitely. AI-powered recommendation engines can tailor product suggestions in real time, and platforms like CustomGPT.ai let you deliver hyper-relevant content without any coding, making personalization
Nice.
scalable.
But isn't there a myth that AI-generated content gets penalized by Google?
Actually, that's a common misconception. Google prioritizes quality over how content is created. So high-quality AI-generated content can rank just as well as any other
Really?
content.
I didn't realize that. So for content creation, what free AI tools would you recommend?
Well, ChatGPT is great for generating blog posts and social media captions in seconds. Combine that with Canva's magic design for visuals, and you've got a
Yeah.
full content package without the cost.
That sounds efficient. But how about SEO optimization?
Tools like Neuron Writer and Surfer SEO help you optimize your content for search engines. They analyze top-ranking pages and provide insights on keywords and structure,
Right.
ensuring your content is both user-friendly and SEO-friendly.
That's awesome. But do you think AI might replace affiliate marketers eventually?
I don't think so. AI amplifies our creativity and strategic thinking. It handles the data and repetitive tasks so we can focus on innovation and building
Exactly.
relationships.
Makes sense. So integrating these tools smartly is key, right?
Absolutely. By combining tools like CustomGPT.ai with others, you streamline your workflow and enhance content quality without compromising on cost. It's all
Yeah.
about working smarter, not harder.
Well, this has been enlightening. Time to dive into these tools myself.
Definitely give them a try. It's amazing what you can achieve without spending a dime and stay
Right.
ahead in the game.